Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome to Medicinal Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the structure activity relationship of paracetamol. The paracetamol belongs to the NSAIDs group of drugs that is commonly known as NSAIDs. The structure activity relationship of paracetamol comprised of the general structure that is written over here. So a benzene ring along with the amino group and stylation of NHC double bond of CH3 OH. The chemical name of paracetamol is para-hydroxyacetanolate. Now it has certain features, certain SAR properties of paracetamol. Let's discuss one by one. The number one is aminobenzene group, which is present in the paracetamol, is responsible for antipyretic activity. Okay, so here I draw the aminobenzene group. The second SAR for the paracetamol is amino group and hydroxyl group should be para position to each other. Okay, just like this, the amino group and the OH group, they are on para position to each other. If OH group is removed from paracetamol, if the OH group is removed from the paracetamol, then compound becomes acetanolate. Let me draw the structure of acetanolate like this. We have NHC double bond of CH3, and now I didn't wrote OH group, so when we remove OH from the paracetamol, it becomes acetanolate. Okay, the acetanolate is the derivative of the paracetamol. The acetanolate, the toxicity is increased and the activity decreased. Okay, so let's consider this structure, the paracetamol. Now I highlighted in the yellow color. If both OH group and the style group like C double bond or CH3 groups are removed, okay, if we remove both acetyl group and the hydroxyl group from the paracetamol, then aniline will be formed. Aniline, you people understand, a simple compound that contains a benzene along with the NH2 group is aniline. The properties of aniline is very different from the paracetamol. Okay, this is not the same. Aniline is a toxic or a blood poison, we can say. The next SAR is if phenolic group is esterified. Phenolic group like that one, the hydroxyl group. Okay, with methyl or propyl group, then toxicity will be increased. Okay, and activity will be decreased. Remember it, just like this, like phenacetine will be formed if we esterified the phenol of the benzene ring with methyl or propyl, just like this. NHC double bond OCH remains same, but instead of OH I have just written OC2H5, so it forms phenacetine. Okay, phenacetine is also a derivative of the para-aminophenol groups or a paracetamol group. So remember it, it is another SAR of paracetamol. So para-aminophenol, that is a parent compound of the paracetamol, is more toxic than paracetamol. Okay, remember this is SAR as well. So here is a para-aminophenol, and this is the structure in the blue color, that is the paracetamol. So there is a difference between para-aminophenol and the paracetamol. So para-aminophenol is more toxic as compared to the paracetamol. Okay, I hope it makes sense. The next SAR is acetylation of amino group. Acetylation of amino groups or amine acetylation on the amine group of para-aminophenol is usable. It causes the formation of the paracetamol. Okay, substitution of nitrogen atom other than the acetylation reduces the activity. Okay, whenever we substitute NH2 group other than the acetylation, it will decrease the activity. I hope you people like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Comment it and share it and like it. And if you need some notes for medicinal chemistry, please drop your email or comment. I will contact. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.